Hey everybody, Fortis here with WabiSabi Alliance. Thanks for checking us out today. I've created this YouTube page. Gonna have a conglomerate of all kinds of stuff on it. Videos of my trips to Japan, videos of DIY stuff for cars, videos of cool cars, the owners, maybe some test drives, things of that nature. Just really good content, and a lot of JDM stuff. Just stuff, quite frankly, I think it's cool. And a lot of people do, I think, in my opinion. But anyway, so today's first video is going to be the first ever that I'm putting out for us. And what it is, I went to Japan in October of last year, did a solo trip, real fun time. And I ended up going to the NISMO Museum, or NISMO Showroom, should I say, in Yokohama. Now, this is definitely a real cool place to go. It's the NISMO Showroom and also the Omori factory together. And you go on a Saturday. They open to the public on Saturdays and Sundays only. So you can go in and see the NISMO Showroom as well as see the Omori factory, maybe buy some parts and things like that. But they're not working on the cars on the weekends. They only work on the weekdays. And I guess they're not open on the weekdays. So it's only on the weekends. So Saturday and Sunday, really important to get out there. But just an awesome place to see. So I hope you enjoy the video and keep checking back with us for more content. Thanks a lot. Later. That was an awesome visit to the NISMO Showroom and the Omori factory. Remember, they're only open on Saturdays and Sundays as of this point in time. You always want to check with Google, look them up and find out what their schedule is. But definitely a good place to go if you're a NISMO Nissan guy like I am. That's in Yokohama, just a suburb of Tokyo, so not too far away, very easy to reach in that area. Near it is also the Nissan Engine Museum. Also, the Nissan Global Headquarters is there as well, too. A lot of Nissan presence there. So the NISMO Nissan guys, Yokohama is a place you want to go and check out. But I will also be bringing out some more videos later on of some of the other places I visited in Japan, along with how-to videos. And I got a new box from Australia with some parts in it. So I'll definitely do a reveal on that and show how that's going to work out for the R31 as well too. So again, thank you very much for taking your time. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Take care.
In the world of trailer queens and over-restored builds, we find the beauty in the struggle. This is WabiSabi Alliance.